Yo guys, welcome back to another White Knuckle Shooters video. Today I'm joined with a very special guest. It's whatever cream in my egg, aka Five Nights at Teddy's. And today we are going to be going to B.COLE & Sons Christchurch Funfair. Yeah! Make sure you like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, so you're always notified when I drop a very Sigma video like the ones I've dropped as of recent. Now, I know I haven't been uploading recently, and if you think I'm going to upload again, then you're wrong, because this channel's dead in the water. I only upload when I, do the Funfair content with that. And, alright. So, we definitely haven't just been to the Funfair, this is before we've been, so, see you at the fair. Oh, it didn't end. We just went on the Sizzler in the video. What are our thoughts on the Sizzler? It was the first ride we went on.
It was alright. It wasn't as fast as it was last year, but
It was alright. I wouldn't get squashed this time. I was, well, we accidentally sat in the wrong seat, so she got, all 125 pounds of Big May squashing that. So, overall, out of 10, I give it a solid, 5 out of 10.
6.
Pretty fair.
Go fly.
Anyway,
It's
on
the
to
only
the
life I
next
know.
clip.
Go fly. When you get it in your soul. Bye.
Hold on. Hold on.
So as you just saw, we just went on the orbiter. Pardon me. What were your thoughts?
So it was really good. It was actually really fun. It was a bit scary, and when we went on it, it was really jittery and shaky,
Yeah.
and then it was being really jittery and stuff.
Right.
It actually went full on sideways, and it was oh.
Yeah, right. So we were going on it, and we were like, Jesus Christ, this is intense. It's going really fast. And then basically, he was like,
let's turn it up.
yeah, let's turn it up to the max. And then we did that. We were like, Jesus Christ, that's enough. And he's like, okay, let's do max power. And then he just literally sent it, pretty mental, to be fair.
No, we were just we already thought it was at max, and then we just started screaming.
Yeah. So
We started screaming.
and those annoying girls on the
These girls behind us that just would not shut up.
honestly.
Dun, dun, dun.
Anyway, out of 10.
I give it a 7 because it would be a 9-ish.
Yeah,
but,
it was just
legit in it.
it literally you'd be stationary and it just got quite a lot. So I'd give it. I'd say that's fair. I'd say probably a 6. Wait, 6, 7. Anyway, on to the next.
Clip.
Good luck.
Matterhorn was absolutely terrible.
It sucked.
It sucked. It was literally like a 4 out of 10 for me personally. I mean, it literally just, it didn't have much whip to it at all. I mean, as you saw in the video, it looked more than it did because like that was only empty cars that were like flipping like to 90 degrees. We only flipped to about 45 degrees, and it was just so mid, honestly. It was rattly, it was painful, gave her a headache. Yeah.
It gave me a headache. It was so loud and like it was like disgusting, honestly.
4 out of 10. What about you?
Man, I'm giving it a 2 out of 10.
Fair enough.
It looked good, and then we got on it, and it was just so rattly and like jittery, and it made me feel really like dizzy and sick because it was like so weird. Also, the rattling gave me a headache.
Right. On to the next clip where we don't do a ride, we do something even more spectacular. I show off my immense punching skills, and MC8 Golf does too. So this is an exclusive bit of footage. See you in the next clip. What was that? 8, 7 and 9?
Muhammad Ali hit like that when he was 5.
Only 20 difference.
Muhammad Ali hit like that when he was 5.
Alright, after, you saw my epic punching power and MC8 obviously owning me, because obviously I've got to be humble here. MC8 absolutely owns me at punching power. But one day, I'll get up there. Anyway, next clip, I'm going to take on the daringest, if that's a word, most thrilling ride at the fair. And this one was too much of a coward to come on. Roll the next clip. Yo. Alright, that was Oxygen, and obviously I'm alone for this review because Izzy didn't go on it. Yeah, she didn't go on it, so it was good. It was very good, actually. Honestly, it wasn't like, well,
First time was so nice.
I had to do it twice because yes, I did do it twice. I went on it like midway through my visit to the fair, and then at the very end I went on it again because Izzy had like a headache and didn't want to do any other rides. So I got to spend her tokens, yeah. Anyway, it was a very good ride, much, very would recommend, probably like a solid 8 out of 10. I mean, I wouldn't bump it up to like a 9 or a 10 because obviously I've done it so much now. I guess I'm just like so used to it. But yeah, the feeling of wind, also you go backwards and forwards, pretty nice. So yeah, solid 8 out of 10, solid 8 out of 10, maybe pushing it to a light 9. But yes, very good. Now, me and Izzy had to try and escape this labyrinth. A big maze. Oh. Wait, have we gone the wrong way already?
Yeah, there's no way to go, right?
this way. Oh, right, yeah. MC outside. Oh, that's easy. You can't vape at all. Sigma selfie. Why are you vaping in it? This is very riveting. Because you're going first. And also, I'm just too clever. I wouldn't make such an idiotic mistake. Yeah, no, this way, and then... Wait. Yeah, and then straight. Wait, no, but you can also go... No, wait, you could go this way. No, wait.
This way. Let me go fast again.
Alright, go fast then.
This way. This way. This way.
You've got mad skills. Way too good. We're just too skilled. Okay, as much as the mirror maze was fun, that did not prepare us for what was next to come. The total wipeout. It gave you a sore throat. It gave me broken legs. It was traumatic. Right, that just about wraps up our visit to the old fair. Hope you enjoyed, guys. What would you rate the overall trip?
I'll give it a 7.
Give it a good solid 8. Good fun times. Very Sigma. MC8 golf being there was a highlight. The punch machine was the best bit. Seeing my epic power. I'll see you in the next one, boys. See you next year.